first met a long time ago. How could I forget the way I felt when I first laid eyes on you? I remember saying to my friends, there is my future wife, and then I took the step to meet someone who would change my life. It had to be my destiny, 'cause I was made to love you, my hands to touch you, my arms to hold you, my legs to stand, my time to spend with you forever. I was made to love you, my lips to kiss you, my eyes to see you, my legs to stand, my time to spend with you forever and ever. I was made to love you. I remember our first date, our first arguments.
Dear family and friends, the couple would like to welcome you here this evening to witness the meaning of true love for Mr. and Mrs. Epps again. They are here today to express their love for one another after 18 years of saying I do on the 16th of September 2006. They would like to express their love for one another, for each other. At this time, we will start with Mrs. S.
I love you very much. I love you for being you, keeping me happy, making me laugh. I love you.
Now, Mr. Epps.
You my awesome egg.
And Mr. Epps.
I'm not going to top that, but I love you. We've been long, long years together, up and down, but we love each other. Thanks to God Almighty.
That's right.
Yes, sir. And I look forward to the rest of our life enjoying each other.
Yes.
Please take each other's hands. Mr. Epps, take your right hand. Your left hand, excuse me. Repeat after me. With this ring, I, Charlie Epps.
With this ring, I, Charlie Epps.
Reaffirm my love, devotion.
Reaffirm my love and devotion.
Promise to cherish and honor you.
I promise to cherish and honor you.
In health and sickness until death do us part.
Through health and sickness until death do us part.
Mrs. Epps, take Charlie Epps' left hand and repeat after me. With this ring, I, Helen Epps.
With this ring, Helen Epps.
Reaffirm my love and devotion.
Reaffirm my love and devotion.
Promise to cherish and honor you in health. Promise to cherish you in health. And sickness.
And sickness.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us part.
Place the ring on his finger. Now, by the power vested in me in the state of Pennsylvania, the power of the internet, Universal Life Church Ministry, I now pronounce you, your love for each other affirmed.
Yes.
You may kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for 18 years. True love right here. And they feel a lot and they done stuck it out. So this is the meaning of what love should look like.
I know that's right.
Through thick and thin, they make it. Mr. and Mrs. Epps, congratulations again.
been together, seem like forever, and I wanna spend another lifetime, 'cause it don't get much better, don't care about the weather. Oh, as long as I'm with you, I'm safe and warm. I'm happy that I'll spend the rest of my life with you. It ain't been easy, but we make it through all the ups and downs. It ain't been perfect, but we both right now. And I love you more after all the ups and downs. Life ain't perfect, but we both right now. And I love you more after everyone.
So come on, dance with me, baby. Just wrap your arms around me, baby. Hold on tight like the first time I met you. Oh, since that day, been right beside you. You showed me, baby, you a rider. So honey, I'ma ride into the sunset with you. Oh, and I'll spend the rest of my life with you. It ain't been easy, but we make it through all the ups and downs. It ain't been perfect, but we're both here right now. And I love you more after all the ups and downs. Life ain't perfect, but we're both here right now. And I love you more after everyone. We got a love that can conquer anything.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. You are the melody that makes my heart sing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
I mean every word, that's why you rock my last name.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I swear that I love you.
It ain't been easy, but we make it through all the ups and downs. It ain't been perfect, but we're both
here right now.
and I love you more